Alright guys, welcome back to part 3 of this rebuild. So for today we're going to take off the headlights. Crash bar needs to come off, a couple of the plastics up top, plastics down the bottom. We're going to try and drain the cooling system, coolant and oil, and hopefully try and take the radiator out. So we'll see how it goes. I'm no mechanic, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just having fun with it. Alright, so we have a trusty ratchet here with a god load of attachments just to make this thing work, but it is what it is. And so there's 3 T30s and I think a 10mm. So just so I don't forget, long one, another one, there's a 4th one in there, that's a short one, these are long ones. So sorry guys, you couldn't see what just happened. My phone is full. There's no more storage on it for videos, so I had to delete something real quick. But while I thought I was recording, I undone that fucking hose, and nothing came out. There's no coolant. Nothing came out. I'm baffled, to be honest. I wasn't expecting that at all. So maybe if I loosen it up, loosen it up this way, maybe it opens the vacuum. I don't know. God, come on. Nothing. That's full there. That's full of oil. Why isn't it leaking down? Why is nothing coming out? I think next up, I'll try to take the expansion tank off and drain and wash it out and just have it off. That way, that's done, and then I'll decide what to do with the rad pack. Now, I don't think I'll be able to take it off today. Simply, I'm about to run out of daylight, so the video is going to be cut here. I'll post it anyway. I need some ideas, so please do reach out in the comments. But yeah, that'll be the end of this video after I take off that expansion tank. Okay, a little bit of coolant came out, and then sludgy, wow. Jesus. That is... God, it would be probably easier to just buy a new one at this point. That is done. I don't know how I'll be able to wash that out. Jesus. Alright. Let's put it up a little bit so it's not leaking all over the place. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna have to cut this part here because I'm running out of daylight, and to be honest I have no idea what to do now. So I'd highly appreciate any tips in the comments, so whatever you can think of, really. Just if you know anything about either these cars or how to do this, I've done it before, let me know. Yeah, it'd be highly appreciated to get someone's opinion and maybe some tips and tricks, because I don't know what the heck I'm doing now. I think I'm gonna buy a brand new expansion tank rather than trying to clean that one out. It's just, to be fair, I don't think an expansion tank is that expensive. And yeah, let me know if you enjoyed. Please like, follow, comment, share, anything you can do to get the video some more traction. Yeah, thank you.